Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl D, and right now I am here with another banger story time. Today's topic is gonna be one of the most embarrassing childhood experiences that I've had growing up. Now, this is not a very long story. It's a very short story. Reason being because I honestly don't remember what this story is like. I don't remember every detail of the story because I was very younger. I was super young, so I don't remember everything about the story. But I'm gonna give you guys a part of the story that I know and probably elaborate on it a little bit. As I was saying, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys so much for being so supportive of me thus far. I love you guys so much. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. If you have not yet subscribed, please to do so right now. Let me pause. You subbed? Did you sub? Did you sub? You subbed? Okay, good. Okay, so let's jump straight into the video right now. Guys, it's a true story. I'm not gonna prank you guys today. I don't feel like pranking you guys, so I'm not gonna prank you guys. So let me just give y'all this story right now, right? Just so it go, just drop it pound or blam like at bread and go about my business. So yeah guys, so I remember when I was much smaller, I never knew how to tie my shoelace. It took me so long to learn how to tie my shoelace. I used to tie my shoelace so horrible, like I didn't know how to do it. My father was very upset because my daddy never had patience. He still don't have patience up to this day. Because right now, if you and him going out and like him tell us say him go get ready and him get ready and you're not ready, best believe he's gonna leave you and you're gonna have to take a taxi to come wherever you and him going together, and you're gonna pre him. But that's just how he is. He is very impatient. So yeah. So anyways guys, my father was teaching me how to tie my shoelace, and I was never learning how to tie my shoelace. And then when I was much smaller too, I used to use my left hand to write, and my daddy was very upset about this. He never liked the fact that I'd use my left hand to write. I think I should change the topic of this story. What y'all think? And just tell y'all some stuff that my daddy hated about me, because there was so many. He also hated when I would lie down. Like whenever my daddy watching movie and I go there and I watching movie with him, my daddy would be like, hey, like go on, like just go away, just excuse, you're so annoying. But now the man, you know, guess what me I do, the man to me and 9 people. To my breed hard. Moi did the pan like me's a hag. And daddy just get all upset and up in them feelings and tell me some can't watch with me a breed and a go on, so can me a breed like me both for dead. Yeah, that's the one thing what did really upset him. Another thing that used to piss my daddy off, like really piss my daddy off when I was younger, is whenever cause I had a lot of boy cousins, a whole lot of boy cousins, and there were only like 2 females of us until others were born, like yeah, like Lamika and Shaman Davy, and when them did born, there were more females, but for one point in time it was just me and Taj. So they just were alone, and there was a whole bunch of males. Trey, Timbo, Kamai, got Mel, Davy, and EJ. Wally for the Marvin, big up on yourself. If you wanna watch my video, them, I don't want. If you wanna watch them, hi. If you wanna watch them, whatever. So yeah, as I was saying, like yeah, there was a whole bunch of us as guys in the house. Hear me? Still feel like me a man? You still feel like me a man here? Trust. So me used to go like pan tree, me used to go climb tree with them, me used to run up and pick mango with them, and my father couldn't get upset. My father couldn't get so upset when he saw me doing all of that. My daddy never used to like when me hang out with boy picnic. People, if you did have the same problem with the father, comment yes and tell me some of the things that when growing up that your mom disliked or that your dad disliked about you. Just comment a few of them. And you know I don't know the thing. Another thing that my daddy hated about me, like super hated about me, was me not wearing slippers. Guys, me never like shoes. Me never like slippers, pan period. Me we go out the door, me gone barefoot. Me alone got church barefoot, but you know, me never like slippers bad, but me never like slippers bad. Me not ask. Me never like slippers. And my daddy disliked that. He hated that so much. Because I never used to like slippers, and everywhere me I go, I want to go barefoot. My father could have bust my backside. Me not say, me get pure lick. When me lick at my best friend, me get lick right, left, center, side, north, up, south, east, down. Lick kill me. Me get enough lick. Me not know what I'm going to talk. Me get lick. Wally lick too. Another thing that my daddy hated about me, it was on the tip of my tongue just now, but I kind of forget it. I have to think a little bit to remember. Another thing that daddy hated about me was me did lie. Yeah. I'm a little, and you know, I feel like I did lie, I just never know if to explain myself properly. I feel like that. I don't feel like I lie, I did lie. Because right now, I'm so straightforward. I'm so straightforward. I talk what's on my mind, and I don't add on things. If I say it, I still repeat it. That is me right now. So I don't know what was going on when I was younger, you know. I honestly don't know what was going on when I was younger. But when I was younger, Papa Jesus, I couldn't get licked for tell lie. All when I not tell a lie, me I get licked. And me don't that you some too. Hey, you saw me the liquor, my cousin them could have, oh God, remember one day, and my cousin them do the night bathroom all the time, you know. And see, me do the night bathroom, my grandmother could have cussed me, you know, and tell me I'm nasty, I'm love shit up the bathroom, and I flush it. People, them look something they could have hurt my feelings, me not tell no lie. Right now, I sit down and me tip upon him, I want to cry, I feel a weird dog. Yeah. They make mama cuss me day and cuss me night, you know. So I'm going to stop doing that bathroom, I flush the bathroom, you know. Anytime I'm gonna flush the bathroom, I always try to flush the bathroom. Basically, little pitney them just a lie. Yeah, I'm putting in trouble all the time. See, no. I couldn't get in trouble for some things that I never do, honestly. One more thing my daddy used to dislike about me. Me talk enough. Yeah, me talk a lot. And it wasn't so much of the talking a lot, because I used to like sit by myself and not talk to anybody when I was younger. Since I've gotten older and I've now, you know, grown to love who I am, because when I was younger I had self-esteem problems too. I was like low self-esteem. My self-esteem did low bad. Now a girl can't chat to me because my self-esteem, I'm not ask. All if I have one eye, I'm still proud of myself. All if I have rotten teeth, I'm still proud of myself. Anything do me, I'm still proud of myself. Because I get to realize if I'm not proud of me, nobody not going to proud of me for me. So now I'm more mature and I'm now proud of myself. I was going to tell you guys another thing that my dad disliked about me just now, but he slipped me again. What else that he never like? He never like. Oh, yeah. When I was saying that just now, I mean that it means that I talk a lot. I used to complain a lot. That's what he hated about me. I used to complain a lot. As somebody pinch me, me run to daddy. As somebody lick me, me run to daddy. If daddy come home and give me chicken and chips and somebody take it out, me go tell daddy. So everything daddy want to lick me for, everything daddy want to cuss me and shame me for. Cause daddy used to say, I chat too much. Cause daddy I say, the younger pick them in the house now complain like how me I complain, and that makes me annoying to him. So he used to have a problem with that. He used to have a problem when I come to him and tell him everything. And that just, it made me build like this barrier. It made me build like this whole wall. So up to this day, if I feel threatened by something, I don't tell my daddy. I don't go to my daddy and say, daddy, like this person hit me, or this person said something and it bothers me. I don't go to my daddy and I don't open up to my father up until this day. I love my daddy today. Don't get it twisted. I love my dad. Me and my dad close. Me and my dad friends. But it's just that the way how I grew up, I just grew up knowing that everything that I go to him and tell him, then he's gonna like lash out on me, and he's gonna be, you know, he's probably gonna feel like, oh well, I'm not good enough to be his child or whatever. So I used to have that feeling. As Mr. did have self-esteem problem, don't argue with me, my self-esteem did well lower. So I used to feel and think the worst of every single body. Every situation that come along, I used to feel negative about everything. If me see a man look for me too hard, it now go come in my mind and say, oh, he probably likes me. What's gonna come in my mind is, oh, why the brand see that man here look for me so? It look like him not like me. Yeah, my childhood was so different that I developed this thing in the back of my head that makes me so negative. Sometimes it's unbelievable. Sometimes I sit and I look at myself and I'm like, oh my God, like you're damaged, like you are damaged. But then when I look back at myself, I'm like, yo, like only you can fix your damage. You understand? Only you can make yourself strong. Only you can believe in you. And that's the reason why I've just grown. You know, I blossomed and I'm beautiful. I'm trustworthy. I don't talk a lot now, so don't feel like, yeah, And yeah, so those are some things that when I was a child growing up, I struggled with. I struggled with my shoelace. I struggled with my breathing. As a matter of fact, I struggled with everything because my dad had a problem with every single thing that I did when I was younger. And I see that. I see that in myself because sometimes my big daughter do some things. I want to kill her, but I don't even try to do it because I ain't going to go to prison for nobody's kids. They minds, but y'all know what I mean. I ain't going to prison for no babies. Man, I ask. Anyways, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Give it a like, a share, a thumbs up if you want more story time like this, and I will most definitely drop them. I started off to tell you guys a story, but then it twisted, and I had to just tell you guys some stuff that my daddy hated about me when I was growing up. So, yeah. Love you, big up.